Halor ka jingkynnoh Myntri rangbah ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ba ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kadai ka daw ba ka jingshlei sya ka nongbah Assam namar ka jingpom pathar ki dieng bat mait pathar ki kiwa nakaliang Myntri rangbah ka Jylla Conrad ki Sangma ha ka tarik Nailur ula pyntip ba nakaliang ka sorkar Jylla bat sorkar Assam kala shim ka rai ban thung da ka joint committee ha kaba ki ophiser na baro artli ki Jylla kinya donlang ban Peit ban kmi jingkynnoh bami naka USTM.
So that's what. So there are all these kind of issues are there. So how to overcome these issues? Because Government of India has a national policy for this, and this has been done throughout that area. So that's the reason why this could not move forward. So I hope that now with the situation like that and the emergency kind of situation where we need to take a stand, I hope that we'll be able to come to some kind of a conclusion.
Sir, there is a controversy surrounding liang. Since a lot of Nippo and everything has offices in Assam, so will you take it up? Anything?
Two things. Number one, Assam CM and myself have decided on a verbal conversation that we will be putting up a small joint committee where officials from both the states will be there, and we'll look into all the aspects of the different concerns that have been raised by Assam and others. And in that we will take up the other matters also. Both the chief secretaries are in touch to formalize the formation of this committee where, as I said, officials from both the states will be there. And all these concerns will be taken up, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to resolve most of the issues there.
By when is it likely?
Well, we received, after my discussion, we have received official communication in the last, I think, about 3-4 days' time, at the beginning of this week or last week, I can't remember. And we're hopeful that maybe within a week's time, this committee should be.